Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of simple and functional pieces of wooden crafts project design ideas for living space and for profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Enriching simple and functional wooden furniture design is both an art and a strategy. It is about taking modest, practical pieces and transforming them into something that not only enhances a living space, but also carries the potential for profit. Whether you're a hobbyist or a furniture maker looking to scale a business, understanding how to elevate your designs without compromising their purpose is key to success in both aesthetic appeal and marketability. At the heart of this process is the principle of intentionality. A piece of wooden furniture, say a coffee table, bookshelf, or bench, may begin as a straightforward build with clean lines and basic structure. However, with a deep understanding of materials, functionality, and the end user's lifestyle, even the simplest design can become a focal point in a room. The trick is to respect the simplicity of the form while adding enriching elements that speak to modern tastes, sustainability, craftsmanship, and personal expression. A major aspect of enriching a design lies in the choice of wood. The grain, color, and texture of the wood can transform a basic design into something visually captivating. For instance, using contrasting wood types, like combining walnut and maple, adds character and sophistication. Even reclaimed wood, with its imperfections and story, lends a sense of depth and authenticity that buyers increasingly value. Texture also plays a key role. Hand-sanded finishes, live edges, or surfaces treated with natural oils can bring a tactile richness that elevates a piece beyond the purely functional. Beyond the material itself, proportions and scale contribute greatly to the richness of a design. A simple table can become elegant through subtle adjustments in height, like tapering or edge details. These refinements might seem minimal, but they signal to the user that the piece has been thoughtfully considered. Furniture that fits a space perfectly and looks intentional provides a sense of calm and balance, a value that goes beyond its practical use. Functionality remains a core value in enriching wooden furniture, especially when profit is in mind. People want furniture that adapts to their lifestyles. A beautifully designed coffee table that includes hidden storage or a bench that doubles as a shoe rack has much greater appeal in small urban spaces where every inch counts. Multifunctionality does not mean complexity. Rather, it involves clever design choices that make life easier and living spaces more efficient. When customers see that a product solves a problem while still being attractive, they are more willing to invest in it. What often differentiates a truly enriching piece from an ordinary one is its capacity to tell a story. Whether it's the origin of the wood, the craftsmanship process, or the cultural inspiration behind the design, narrative adds intangible value. Buyers today are not just purchasing furniture, they are investing in stories, ethics, and ideals. By incorporating cultural motifs, traditional joinery techniques, or even using wood sourced from meaningful locations, a maker can transform a utilitarian item into a conversation piece. This emotional connection can strongly influence purchasing decisions. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Simplicity in design does not equate to a lack of identity. On the contrary, minimal designs that showcase clean geometry, negative space, and uncluttered lines can be some of the most expressive when executed with skill and vision. Scandinavian and Japanese furniture styles, for example, have thrived on these principles, emphasizing the essence of materials and the harmony between form and function. These aesthetics, widely appreciated around the world, offer inspiration for makers looking to enrich their own simple designs in a way that appeals across cultures. From a business standpoint, enriching wooden furniture also involves understanding the psychology of the buyer. In a marketplace filled with mass-produced, disposable goods, many people are looking to return to something more grounded and lasting. A well-crafted wooden piece that speaks of quality, timelessness, and sustainability can command a significantly higher price than one created solely for utility. Positioning your furniture not just as products, but as investments in lifestyle is a powerful marketing approach. Photography, branding, and presentation play critical roles in supporting this enrichment. A beautifully made chair can go unnoticed if poorly presented, while a modest piece can gain allure through professional imagery, storytelling, and effective staging. The context in which the furniture is shown, surrounded by soft lighting, other natural materials, or even human interaction, can elevate its perceived value and emotional appeal. For those selling furniture, particularly online, these aspects are non-negotiable when trying to build a brand and make a profit. Customization is another layer of enrichment that holds value for both creator and buyer. Offering slight variations such as size, finish, or wood type allows customers to feel involved in the design process and gives them a sense of ownership over the final product. This not only strengthens their emotional connection but also justifies a premium price. From a profitability standpoint, it also allows the maker to standardize production while still catering to individual preferences. Innovation in design can also enrich simple furniture. This doesn't mean reinventing the wheel, but rather rethinking the small details. For instance, using magnetic closures for hidden compartments, incorporating wireless charging pads into side tables, or designing modular pieces that can adapt over time are all ways to add value without sacrificing simplicity. These innovations make the furniture more relevant to today's lifestyles, especially in urban settings where space and technology needs intersect. Furthermore, enriching furniture design for profit also involves smart resource management. Using offcuts creatively, optimizing build processes, and minimizing waste are ways to maintain profitability while also supporting sustainable practices, something increasingly important to buyers. These values can become part of your brand story and give you a competitive edge in the marketplace. Ultimately, enriching simple and functional wooden furniture is a continuous dialogue between beauty and practicality. It requires empathy toward the user, respect for the material, and a vision for how an object can live within someone's daily life. As a furniture maker or designer, the more you engage with how people live, how they move, store, work, and relax, the more you can fine-tune your pieces to fit naturally and beautifully into those routines. At the same time, never underestimate the power of restraint. It's easy to over-design in an attempt to make something special, but true richness comes from confidence. Confidence in the materials, the form, and the details that speak softly but carry weight. A simple wooden bench can be ordinary or extraordinary depending on how it's crafted, finished, and presented. And in the world of design, this line is where meaning, beauty, and profit meet. As the world increasingly shifts toward conscious consumption and curated living spaces, the demand for thoughtful, beautiful, and functional furniture will only grow. By focusing on the enrichment of simple wooden designs, not only do you create pieces that people truly value, you also build a sustainable path toward meaningful, profitable work. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked simple and functional pieces of wooden crafts project design ideas for living space and for profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.